Hello and welcome to the first episode of Jacob's Food Reviews. This is a historic moment in history that will go down in textbooks and be remembered forever. So today, we'll be reviewing RingPop Gummy Gems. 2 flavors in one. Sweet outside, splash of sour on the inside. So, these things are 90 calories for a serving, and a serving size is 5 pieces. And guess what? There are 5 different flavors, so you'll only be consuming 90 calories. So let's go ahead and take a look at our flavors. We have a light green one, a dark greenish bluish one, a yellow one. Let's see. A red one. 4, we're missing our pink one. Yes. Here's our orange pink one. So, if we take a look at our flavors on the back of the chart or bag, we have cherry and apple, which is the red one. We have lime and blue raspberry, which is the green one. Then we have blue raspberry and watermelon, which is the blue one. We have the yellow one, which is tropical pineapple orange. And the orange pink one, strawberry lemonade. So, we'll start off with the red one first. Take a bite. So immediately, you notice the second flavor come out when you take a bite. It's like a little juice pod, like a gusher in the middle. So, the apple and the cherry, not very sour. Mostly just sweet, but it's pretty good flavor. And it doesn't just one flavor overpower the other. I'd give that a solid 6 or 7 out of 10. Next up, we have the green one, the lime and blue raspberry. So, and this one, can't really taste the blue raspberry like as much as you could taste the apple in the other one. The lime, with its brash flavor, seems to overpower everything. I'm not saying that it's good. I'm just saying that I'd like to get a taste of both. I'd give that 4 out of 10. Next up is the blue raspberry and watermelon. Immediately you can tell it's a little bit sweeter than the other ones, kind of like a snow cone. This one's kind of the opposite of the lime and blue raspberry. The watermelon overpowers the blue raspberry. You can still taste them. It's not as bad as the lime, but not really a good flavor combination. In my opinion, it's honestly worse than the lime one, even though we still have a better mix of flavors. I have to get like a 2 out of 10. The watermelon's distinct flavor didn't just blend well. I think next, we'll go with yellow tropical pineapple orange. I think the orange and the pineapple, they have a good mix of flavors. They have citrusy foods. Nothing overpowers the other. It's a nice mix of both. It's not too sour and too sweet. This one is my favorite so far. I have to give that, I think it's 7.5 out of 10. So it's pretty good, but it wasn't like, good. Now, we have our orange one, our pink strawberry lemonade. So, it's a little bit different than the other ones. It's not a combination of fruits, it's just strawberry and lemonade. So, let's sink in. I don't know. This one, lemonade, really comes out in this one. They did a pretty good job at getting the lemonade flavor down. But I can't say I taste the strawberry too much. Still pretty good though. It's better than the blue raspberry and the cherry, but not as good as the strawberry. I mean, it's not as good as the pineapple orange. So I think with this one, it's going to have to be 6.5 out of 10. I know you're thinking, but, oh, you gave the blue raspberry and the lime a bad score for the overpowerness of the flavors. But you just said that you give this one a good level rating, even though the lemonade overpowers the strawberry. Well, that's because the blue raspberry just sucked. It does not taste good. It's not a very good flavor. And the lime one, just a little too much lime. But the strawberry lemonade wasn't too powerful, and it wasn't bad. So that's one. So I think overall, if I had to give these little RingPop gummy gems a rating on a scale of 1 to 10, I'd say I'd give them a 6 out of 10. They're not my favorite candy, but they're not my least favorite. I feel like they could have made some better decisions with the individual gummies and not just decided, you know what, let's just see what we can make. And I think they're pretty enjoyable, but it does have a lot of sugar in it, so it's not the healthiest thing. But I think we can stick with our 6 out of 10 rating. Now, if you would like any other foods for me to try, or you just like this video, just leave it in the comments below. Thank you.